How to fix Windows 10 Bluetooth missing. So there's a couple ways that you can pull this off. One of them is by just going ahead to the Windows icon. Next to it you will see type here to search, and you're gonna search for something called Task Manager. Okay, and we're gonna click this app at the at the top right here, and it will open a page or open a window, small window, just like this. You're gonna just click more details, and you will see right here the multiple apps that you have right here on your Windows, and you're gonna search for file called Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. So you're gonna just click this one with this icon, and you're gonna just hit restart, and it will restart this files at the down. Okay, and the next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead to my settings. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and click the right mouse at the Windows icon, and you will see multiple options, and you're gonna just click settings, and it will direct you to a page just like this. So you're gonna go ahead to your devices, all right, and you will see right here, normally you will see the Bluetooth section. So in my case, I don't have the Bluetooth or missed, so I'm gonna just go ahead right here and add Bluetooth, and I'm gonna just go ahead and select the Bluetooth, and here it says I couldn't connect because you can't turn it on to try to update your driver through Windows Update and settings. So let's assume that I have to update the Windows. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here for the sake of the video, and I'm gonna just try and update this this update so I can receive all the new features. After I downloaded and I saw the Bluetooth, what you're gonna do is the next or the last step, you can just go back to your window, and you're gonna select for something here and the type here to search. You're gonna search for services. Okay, and after you search for your services, you're gonna just click this one, and it's gonna open a page just like this. Okay, and you're gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find the Bluetooth support service. So I'm gonna just click on it. Okay, and here in the startup type, you're gonna just click leave it at manual. Sometimes it'll be automatic. Just leave it at manual and hit apply and hit OK. You won't have a problem seeing your Bluetooth pops up on your on your Windows. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.